Hey everyone, welcome back to Guidezen. Today we are talking about one of the most common Instagram problems. When your creator account cannot be set to private. This happens because Instagram only allows personal accounts to be private. If you are using a creator or business account, your profile will always stay public. The fix is simple, but how to do that? This is very important, but first of all, I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Just open your settings, then go down and click on creator tools and controls. Then go a little down and find out this setting, switch account type, click here. Then click on the first, no, click on the second option, switch to personal account. All right. After clicking here, again click the red button, switch to personal account. All right. And in a moment, your Instagram account will be converted into personal account. Then go up and click on account privacy. All right, then you can easily set your account to a private. It's so very simple. I hope this short tutorial is helpful and your problem is fixed. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.